Good morning, everybody. It is day one of advanced off-road training with our good friend Tom Asher. We're at Rock Crusher in Georgia. Yesterday was something else. If you didn't see that, I will leave some links in the descriptions below. But we got another 3 days ahead of us. Should be interesting. Bunch of people are showing up here, so it should be pretty awesome. Let's turn this baby around here. What a beautiful day. Look at our scene here. See those Georgia mountains. Colors are fantastic. Tom did those trees. Those are some serious trees. Holy cow. I think you did well there, sir.
We got it.
Are we ready? I hope you are. We'll see you soon. Bye. Don't mind signing the waiver. There is a clause in there that if something happens, Tom gets all your belongings.
Please, you're liable and you're not drunk. Nobody's drunk, right? Not yet.
Someone's laughing awfully hard this morning, giggling, so I don't
I
know.
didn't put anything in my coffee, I swear.
So today we're going to work on a lot of balance and body movement, which I see that is really lacking in some people sometimes. So what? No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, body movement is a big thing on handling these bikes and being able to do things.
And we're off. Going to the motocross track here with the group. I'm going to follow into the rear a little bit just because I want to get film of everybody. All right, Tom Asher's advanced off-road. This is our warm-up. All right, back up in here. Ow.
Just like that, just sit here. Now I'm using the front brake and the clutch ever so slow to get myself down the hill safely. Or if you can't touch, if you lean the bike this way, let off on the front brake and just use the clutch. Nice and smooth, you don't want to be jerking. Then you can touch even if you're short-legged and at least get the bike to where you need to be. And for right now, I want you in this rut right here. That way, it's going to be easier for you to touch the ground. If you're on the hump, you're not going to be able to touch here. So this rut right here, for right now, is where you want to be, right here. No problem, right? All right. Now using your clutch and your front brake, smooth descent.
You are using your front brake? He's going straight back.
I mean, if you want to turn, don't use the front brake.
Okay.
If you want to go straight back, use both. Now you got to favor the uphill side so you don't need that foot on the ground because it'll throw you and cause you to high side. And don't be jerky because that little jerk can send the bike over. Good job.
Oh, okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
Now, instead of a bad situation, she can relax and say, okay, I didn't make the hill. Keep it on this side so you can touch. You should have tension on your leg.
So is it already just a little lean, Tom? Like
It
I'm
should
now
be
solid
lean.
now. Okay.
The more pressure you got on this high side leg, then the safer you are because that's where you're going to drop it.
Yeah.
Nice and smooth on the clutch. You're doing great. Okay, stop.
Oh,
Go.
I can see how easy you're almost over.
Yeah,
over.
it forces you over.
Yeah,
So
almost.
a little more. Okay, stop. Now keep it leaned on that leg and wiggle. And it works slow, but it moves it. So keep your, now, I forgot to tell you, when you wiggle the bike, lock the front brake.
Okay, when you're wiggling.
When you wiggle, keep the clutch out, lock the front brake, and see how it's working slowly.
know that.
Nice.
You work it until you're around the tree or the obstacle or pointed in a safe direction, and then you go down. Good job. Yep, keep that bike leaned and you're safer. No front brake, just the clutch, but smooth on the clutch. The slower you go, the better. He's tall, he's got a lot of strength, so he can lean that bike clear over. Now, do the wiggle. Yeah, see, he's going somewhere. Because he's got it leaned way over. That's great.
Action for everybody on one. Oh, dude, don't be stopping on the hill like that. I'll wait for you, you're okay. You're okay. You got it. Good job. Get so many people on here and you got to create some space. Plus people get to the top of the hill and they stop and don't realize someone's behind you. And they're trying to get up the hill. It makes it a little bit funky.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to start out slow, then I got to ease off the brakes enough to run that high right side. And then I got to ease off a little bit to drift over to the left. Nice job, nice job.
I'm not laughing because I didn't get up this hill yesterday at all. No. Completely different hill. New trench lines, everything. Oh, I turned my bike sideways in here yesterday. I'll never get this. I don't know if I ever get it.
Yes, you will. It's like the easiest hill here. You have to.
This is the out of everything that of the adventure world and everything we do, hill climbs, I have the same fear she does. I have a fear of flipping the bike right on over me. And literally Tom has worked with me for a year to try to get me to go up a mountain, and I can't do it. I flip out. Yeah, I literally, this is it. This is my bugaboo. If I could ever figure it, when I figure this out, then it'll be so much easier for me. Like you guys just went up that hill over there. Like I just went around. I'd go around. It's my biggest crutch right now is a hill climb like this. I get about halfway, I'm doing fine. I get about halfway, and then I just pull the clutch in, and I said I'm done. Like I just literally I'll stop.
That's good. You stopped it before you crashed. I was just telling them guys that before you give up.
It's going to be done anyways.
You think you can get it? So. Back up about 6 inches. Whenever you leave a rut, back up 6 inches. And then wait till you feel pressure and then let go. Let off the brake. You got it. Stay with it. Point it right where you want to go.
Yo.
I think the clutch just needed warming up. Good job, by the way. I don't know, maybe it's just my observation. When you coming up there, it looked like you were looking right down right here.
Oh.
Instead of looking at the top.
Oh, I was. Oh, without a doubt. It does when you get to that peak. You're like, oh, it's a little bit more than you think it is.